Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Sikalani. So today we are going to do reading for the day and see what kind of energies we might come across or deal with. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what do the cards have for the day. What kind of energies we might come across or deal with, and how to deal with these energies. Okay, the card has shuffled. Let's see. Okay. Oh, so many cards at a time. So let me take all for a change. Okay. So what I see here is today, you are dealing with so much. Okay. For some of you, you can be going through a situation where there are so many disagreements, misunderstandings, and conflicts happening. It can be an ego clash also for some of you. For some of you, I see a situation is coming to an end. It can be a relationship, it can be a workplace, it can be, completely you're thinking of changing your career field or completely different, to something which you have been passionate about, but due to responsibilities, you have not been taking taking it seriously. But now you are thinking of changing your path altogether. That is what I'm getting, and because of that, you are kind of analyzing things a lot. Okay, there is a lot of thinking happening, lot of strategies, planning, and foresightedness kind of thing is what I'm seeing. And I also see that you need to come out of your comfort zone to see that growth. Okay, whatever you have been working on, you will get the result of it. But you need to come out of your comfort zone. Try to understand that जो भी situation है जहाँ पे misunderstanding हो रही है, is it something you need to put your energy into, or you can just avoid that conflict and disagreements for your mental and emotional peace. Okay, there is some situation which is coming to an end when it is a very painful thing to deal with, but also keep in mind that end of something can also be a beginning of a beautiful thing. Okay, so that's the energy for the day, guys. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.